So friends, let's see how to make this delicious coleslaw. So here I've taken half a cup of mayonnaise. This is homemade mayonnaise. I'll leave a link of how I prepare my mayonnaise at home. You can also use store-bought. This is 2 cups of shredded cabbage. I'm going to add the cabbage to the mayo. Next I'm going to add half a cup of shredded carrots. Half a teaspoon of pepper. And some salt to taste. And now all we have to do is just mix everything together really well. And then just give it a taste test and just see whether you need more mayo or whether you need more pepper or more salt. And you need to refrigerate this till you're ready to use it. So give it a good mix. You can use it on the same day or you can store it in an airtight container and use it for at least about 2 or 3 days. And this is your lovely coleslaw ready. Now you can use this coleslaw in many ways, like I'll show you. So you can make yummy sandwiches with this, little mini sandwiches as starters, or a light brunch or lunch, or you can put them on canapes, or you get these flat biscuits which are very wafer thin in different flavors. You can use those, or you can just put them on some crackers. So I just like to cut off the edges because that way the sandwiches also look very pretty. Don't overstuff it, just put the right amount. And here I've prepared some burnt garlic rice as well as some chicken kebabs, and I'm just going to serve this as a salad. So I'll leave a link to my chicken kebabs and my burnt garlic rice, which are both very delicious. So you can serve it as a salad. And that's your coleslaw all ready. A very simple recipe with very few ingredients. So I hope you liked today's recipe, guys. If you did, then don't forget to give this video a like, and I'll catch you soon in my next video. Bye.
Friends, I hope you liked today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.